Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it. Before we go further, remember our content here, guys, only for educational purposes. And of course, we'll not provide any financial advice. So always do you do diligence before you put your money on the line. Good morning, Anish, Yusuf, Christian, Lizzie, Martin Apollo, George. Good morning, everybody. So today, Open doing all right, jumping from a nice bottom here. So we have to discuss Open. SYTA looking all right. Tested the $3.40, pulling back up. The main ones are AI because testing the resistance around the 20, plug 12% around the 470. AMD humongous jump 35%. Guys, this is the first time we have a huge jump for AMD 35% after a huge news because of OpenAI deal with OpenAI for AI data centers for AMD. Huge, guys. 6 gigawatts of AMD chips. What a huge news, guys, for AMD. AMD have a huge deal with AI. And we got Soba, one of the top gainers for today. FEMY, SPRB, ONMD. So SPRB jumping really good, hitting major level around the 37. One of the top gainer for today. I will see if we're gonna have another jump for it later on, but for now it is the top gainer for today. Let me just adjust the support for it around this level. So yeah, it's just hit the 37, so now it's pulling back. We'll see if we're gonna have another jump toward the 45 and 64. Anyway, good morning, everybody. What a day. Today it is a pretty active market. Pretty active market for today. Let us double check the market again if we got some heading gems. NVNI jumping 900% as well. LPTX. Let's see, LPTX and NVNI. What else we got? Anyway, so let's see. NVNI, guys, I think have a reverse split, so I'm gonna pass. LPTX, we have a huge jump, and then pull back. Huge. It was almost 400% in the pre-market. Let's see here. Yeah, 500%. Now pulling back. Let's see if we gonna have a retest once again toward the 167. It went really quick up and now it's pulling back. LPTX. Good morning, everybody. Let us have a great day today. Yeah, the last few days market was sleeping. Now the market is active. Pretty much active for another jump for today. Anyway, let's see. Oh, we got SPRB, yes, and VNX plug. Yeah, BURU. BURU was on my list, but I took it from the list because I think now, yes, it didn't break the 28. It's pulling back toward a current support now to fill the gap around the 22. So currently is not bad. For plug on the other hand, did that nice jump, almost broke from the 473. So the resistance now I'm profit taking out on the 470. Current support is the $3.90. What else we got here? Salama ABS. SOPA already covered it. PRB next move coming. Yes. Yeah, SPRB. Yeah, the move already happened, man. Already jumped a lot, so it's a bit risky now. ONMD, yeah, this one looking way better in the technical from the rest. This one looking interesting, juicy. Yeah, LPTX, I will put it here. ONMD should be first. SPRB after that. FEMY pulled back a lot for today. Yeah, around almost the $1. This one best entry was early on our watch list that we did on our Discord, guys. We did earlier. We did even for AMD before the resistant breakout from the 207. It was a good entry because we went now almost around 226. The other one we said the FEMY, yes, we said the 85 is the resistance and profit taken around the 99. It was again another play. It was really good to play in the pre-market because right now hit the 97 and went down. SOPA, nothing much, didn't break the $3.77. AMD still, yeah, testing the 227, guys. I think there's a big whale buying right now AMD after the major news about partnership with AI. This is crazy, man. I think we never have this kind of jump before for AMD. It's not earnings even. It's not earning jump. Yeah, we have a lot of buyers. Yes, buying AMD because it's easy play. Yeah, it was easy play. FOMO buying, everybody buying AMD because of the partnership, late partnership. Yo, we got a lot of FOMO. Yeah, FOMO going on with AMD chips. It's been used by AI. Anyway, for open, nothing much. We're still currently below the resistance here. QUBT, I was watching it early on, but I didn't put it on the list. Yeah, it's not that good for me, QUBT. I checked it early on because one of our members asked us about this. It pulled back a lot around the 21. So if we broke the 21, I will watch for the 18. We have a big seller just entered around the 24. So yeah, QUBT is pulling back a lot. If it broke the 20, 90, yes, we might continue this dip. So now we have a little bit of pullback for the market, guys. A little bit of pullback. Yeah, a little bit of pullback. Guys, hit the like, subscribe. Don't forget, guys, we have a lot of members who watching but not subscribing. Almost 60% of people watching not subscribed. So if you're one of them, make sure to hit or subscribe in order to be notified, guys, for the next time we go live, because we always go live every day to discuss the market. Let's see if we have a haltation for today. Sixth, yeah, we only have one stock is getting halted in the pre-market, HSII. This is the only one got halted. Anyway, expect a lot of haltation once the market open today. This is will be important to watch. Anish, Weeble, Ball. I put it on the other list. I put it on the other list because it's not moving. Anish, Weeble. It is not stable here, man. Nothing is clear for Weeble right now. The only thing is clear is the support around the 12 and the 10. And the resistance now is around the 1640. If we broke it, we might go toward the 1829 and the $20. For now, it is currently below the resistance. There is no exciting news. Sava, on the other hand, looking interesting here because kind of broke the resistance around the $3.64. Yeah, Sava, it might be good for a reversal here around the $4. Not too shabby. So, as we said, Seva looking interesting. I will double check the other stocks here. See RWV currently holding the gains. Yeah, not bad as well. VENF is pulling back, breaking the first supports. PNAI, RVYL. Those all the stock that jumped before, guys, last week. So I'm checking them for today. Because sometimes the stocks go down for correction, then go up. Wow, CETY coming to the scan. I think reverse split as well. PMAX. Yeah, today is pretty active day. This one have reverse split as well. So I'm gonna pass ARBK LBTX. ARBK. I think we didn't check this one. ARBK. Indeed. Yeah, ARBK guys just jumped right now. Yeah, broke the resistance around the 48. This one looking interesting now. Pretty much interesting, but is about to get rejected now around the 72. Yeah, the psychological level to go to around the $1. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it on the list, guys, this one, because yeah, looking all right for at least a jump. But now is should be pulling back from the 72. Let's see top losers for today to check SANM. I don't know if we kept it here, SANM, or I put it on the other list. Guys, we checking any stock might be good at the market open. So technically we only have those. I'm gonna check if we have top losers. SKYE and DV. Yeah, SKYE. This one, yes, it might be good. It might be good for a reversal if we held the current support here around the 155. Is 61% down. Interesting, could be interesting for reversal. DFLY. Okay, this is it. We have almost 4 minutes, guys. 4 minutes at the market open. Watch out for ARBK right now and might be breaking the current resistance. SR or SPRB looking fantastic as well for another breakout at the market open. Might watch for this one as well for a breakout from the $38. Is a bit expensive. LPTX, I'm gonna take it from the list. Is too risky play now. It pulled back a lot. Yes, from the the support. ARBK is kind of breaking out. FEMY reversing. SOBA, AMD testing a major resistance right now, all-time high, guys. Plug is reversing up. AI is coming go. Yes, and SKYE could be good at the market open around the $2 breakout. Anyway, guys, the market's about to open, so hit the like and let us start our live streaming for today. As we discussed early, guys, FEMY and AMD were great before the market open. We discussed them here. As you can see here, AMD, we discussed entry around the 207 after a major news about AI, OpenAI, and AMD collaboration, and FEMY around the 85 resistant we suggest for a breakout. And entry, it was once the price was around 80 cents and then went almost around the $1 in the pre-market. Now it started to reverse up before the market open. Watch out. FEMY looking strong currently. Good morning, everybody. Let's see if we're gonna have a huge green day for today as well. Oh, and MD, I didn't put it on the list for a reason. It's not here. We don't discuss it. Oh, it's number one. I forget. Yeah, 162. Yes, but watch out for the support because if we broke support, is not good. Around 133. So now it's pulling back at the market open. We might have a reversal and go up and get halted around the 186. This is the best case scenario for ONMD. ARBK have to break the 71 now to squeeze up. ONMD have to break the 162. SRB have to break the 38. What a crazy day, guys. All the stocks is near the resistance. FEMY is testing a major resistance around the 87. So yeah, we got huge anticipation. Huge anticipation mode at the market open. The market could be really great. So we have to snatch those opportunity while we got them because we might have a pullback anyway. Yeah, let's go. The market is open. ARBK pulling back, ONMD pulling back, FEMY pulling back just around the resistance. AMD, it should pull back here, guys, because this is a top target for it. To correct at least around the $200. Plug the same. We have a major resistance around the 470. AI pulling back from the 20, which it was the current resistant. Uh, so AI looking great because there's a big buyer around the 1830, and now we have another buyer. Yes, we might pull back to is around the 19. Open AI or yeah, open door. Pulling back a bit. ONMD just below the resistance. KMX 1%. We need more. Let's see the other stocks. APLD 4%, going to all-time high almost. Tesla green, AMD green, plug huge green, SMCI going on the green side as well. Those the top stocks for this week, man. Yes, we have a huge buyer for SMCI. Neo neutral. INTC looking strong as well. RUM did a huge jump last week. Mara 5% more, going to the 21. Yeah, right as well, doing all right. Yeah, we have a huge green market, guys. Yeah, the market is doing fantastic. Marvel looking all right here. I will adjust maybe the support here around the 31. Hood going on the all-time high. Spotify the same. Let us double check crypto market. Yeah, cryptos. Ethereum need to break the 4,600. Yeah, this is a critical moment. Bitcoin went to all-time high, guys, over the 125K. This is major news. Major reversal happened for Bitcoin. Go back to the main unicorn, ONMD, guys, trying to break the 162. ARBK pull back, SPRB pulling back, FEMY testing resistance pull back. Yeah, AMD pulling back, plug pulling back. Yeah, we have a pullback market now. Sky could be good for reversals. Open is going up. Let us see if we got another stock being halted here. We got SPRB halted, AMDY options. Yes, on AMD getting halted. XFLX, XFLX, and AM. Oh, come on, man. XFLX, AMDY. AMDY yield max AMD options income strategy. Wow, this one is halted, guys. Majestic jump is halted down. What a crazy haltation. Yeah, it was really up. That's why AMD is going down really quick. XFLX, I think, is halted down. Not my cup of tea. The other one we got SPRP is halted down as well. Open is going up, guys. Open doing all right here. We have a huge buyer for Open. Well, Anderson, BMNR, I will check it. BMNR is not main gainer for today, brother. Yeah, it's just 4%. I figure not main gainer. Yeah, it's pulled back a lot as well, 4%, around the $60. For BMNR, yes, hit a major resistance, so that's why it's pulling back. If it pulled back, watch out for the 55 and the 47, which is the bottom. BMNR, maybe I will put it on the waiting list here. Yeah, Sky, it's not ready yet. Sky E, plug is pulling back. AMD still holding. SOBA, still nothing. FEMI, nope. SPRB, guys, currently halted and unhalted right now. It's really good reaction that we didn't pull back a lot. It might get halted up right now. Watch out for SPRB is the main gainer right now with ONMD. Yeah, SPRB I think is currently halted up now. SPRB looking strong. So SPRB is just already got halted. It might go toward the 45. ONMD guys looking fantastic right now. It might get halted as well. It's getting near a breakout zone for ONMD. If it broke, we might have a majestic jump for it. Yeah, ONMD still trying to break the 160. SPRB is halted right around the 39. ARBK on the other hand is pulling back. Yeah, as we said, the 71 was a resistant. Open is pulling back as well, guys. Plug is pulling back. Open is pulling back. As you can see, Open just tested our white line here and pulled back with a huge wick just below the $8.80. So this is normal. Let us check the top gainers to see which one is the best. SPRB is number one, guys, with light volume, for my opinion, just 13 million compared to the huge, humongous jump that we did, 300%. After that, we have SOPA, but I don't like it that much because it's a bit weak. Didn't test even the 3.77. CRML, nice reversal from the second support. And now trying to go to this resistance around the 1530. Iron R, nope. This one pretty much light on volume. Maybe I'm gonna put CRML to the list. I put it on the maybe. Yeah. CRML. Yeah, 61%. Fantastic reversal, for my opinion. But ONMD is still number one because it didn't jump yet. Yeah, the rest is pulling back. Still waiting for ONMD guys to push back up. APLD 9%. Huge buyer for AMD again. APLD. APLD is shifting from crypto data center to AI factories. Holy baloney. Everybody turning to AI, guys. Everybody just shifting to AI. Yeah, still waiting for SARB to get unhalted. Currently have a huge resistance just below the 46. Watching for this support around the 31, 34. If we held it would be great. EVAX. EVAX. Yeah, nice reversal actually from this dip. I didn't anticipate this reversal. For my opinion, it was unusual. Buyer around the 448, and now, yeah, it was yeah, a huge seller after the reverse split that we did back here. We did, I think, 1 to 5 reverse split back in 14th of January. Now it's reversing really good. Yeah, not bad. EVAX, yes, but it's really light on volume for today. Just 6% up. Is PRB currently halted, guys? It will be unhalted at any minute. Watching for test around the 45. Let's go, everybody. Let's go. Nothing much. SPRB still holding. ONMD didn't break out yet. CRML going strong from this reversal. Yes, sir. We have a really good reversal here. I will keep watching this one, guys. If we have the 1240, would be great for another jump toward the 1550. ARBK, nothing much. FEMY, yes, didn't break the 87. Plug pulling back, didn't break the 470. It's correcting down. Open, correcting down. Wow, we have a huge pullback for the market now. Especially for plug, and run is going to the red side. Neo started to move. Going back to see if we got unhalted, not yet. SPRB resumption around the 43. Whoa, is mean we might get unhalted just around the 45 or almost the 41 and then get rejected down. SPRB guys is around the 43 right now. Currently, SPRB is around the 43. Yes, we went until the 43.73 guys, or around the 45, as we said. 45.90 is the current level of resistance. That's why we're pulling back right now for SPRB resumption. SPRB hit the 45. Not 43, brother, 45. We hit the 45 for this majestic stock. Now it's 44. Fighting, guys. SPRB. If we broke the 46 barrier, we might get halted more up. ONMD, nothing much. CRML currently goes slowly up toward resistance, the 15. ARBK going back up as well. FEMY, I think, is losing some ground. SOBA is going up. Plug is going down toward the gap. It's filling the gap, guys. Plug is filling the gap. Open as well is pulling back to fill the gap, the same as plug. Let's see the other stocks here. I think Sky E is started to reverse, guys. Sky E started to reverse. LPTX, nothing much. I don't like hits anymore. QUBT, the same, is pulling back a lot. Yeah, not my cup of tea for today. See, guys, SPRB double top around the 45 and pulled back. You see, we tested the resistance perfectly around the 45.97 and now it's halted down. What a crazy stock, man. At least the market is coming back for the volatility. Before the market is dead, now at least we got some action. Going to check the stock that been halted for today. SPRB is halted down. Once it's halted up, then halted down. We got, yeah, not a lot of stocks has been halted for today, guys. Not a lot, for my opinion. Yeah, not a lot of stocks has been halted. Anyway, let's see again. Top losers. Nothing much happening here. But yeah, ONMD need a bit of time, guys, to break the 162. This one have a bit of potential, guys, even though it didn't do anything at the market open, but yeah, have potential to do something later. We're gonna discuss in depth later on. ARBK jumping up. ARBK, guys, watch out. We have a breakout from the 71. It's going toward the 84. Yes, sir. This one did really great job, guys. of jumping toward the 84. ARBK 89%. This one is crypto play as well. Crypto plays is coming, guys, because Bitcoin hitting all-time high. That's why crypto stocks doing fantastic. Ethereum 2% up, breaking the resistance as well, doing fantastic, going for a new high. Ethereum officially started to reverse. However, I think now we're getting near a strong resistance around the 4,600. If we broke this level, would be great. Yeah, for Ethereum to go toward the 5,000 barrier. Yeah, the 5,000, it is the level that we have to go for Ethereum. And I think we're missing just almost 8% to do 5,000 for the new high. Last time we tested almost the 5,000 was back in last month, at the end of the last month for Ethereum. ONMD, one of the main stocks that we should watch for today, with ARBK doing fantastic. ARBK is number one, number two right now on the list. Yeah, ONMD is preparing for a breakout. Watching ONMD closely, guys. We're gonna do a major update for those stocks later on the Unicorn Hunt on Discord. So stay tuned. Put your notification on, guys, if you are one of our members. ONMD, guys, officially jumping. Finally, we have a breakout for ONMD. Yeah, officially a breakout. This is really good. ONMD breaking out, guys. And I will adjust the resistance for it. Yeah, around the 170, maybe 178. Yeah, we got a huge resistance around the 179. It could be very interesting to watch this play later. Not bad for today for ONMD, doing fantastic here. Okay, this is will be great to watch. ONMD and the other stocks, we have to cover them closely because the market right now doing all right. In the meantime, guys, be careful from those lists. We're gonna do a major update later on Discord, and be tuned to cover the market in depth and discuss the updated level, of course, for mini unicorn. In the meantime, yes, ONMD is on the top list to watch with the others. ONMD is pretty much strong. We might get halted over the 180, so we'll watch it closely. This is it for now, guys. Watch out for major update, as we said later on. And we're gonna do update for Open and the other stocks because Open right now have a bit of struggle to break the current levels. And yeah, we have a pullback instead. So we're gonna update Open as well for other levels for it later on. In the meantime, guys, thank you for watching, and of course, see you later for the update on Discord, and by tomorrow, 30 minutes by the market, before the market open. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed to be notified once we go live. Thank you for watching.